Hello everyone and welcome to June monthly mortgage update. Welcome to winter. It's been pretty cold and as you know the interest rates have been pretty high. It was a bit of a relief for a lot of people that the Reserve Bank made a direct comment that they're not going to increase the interest rate for another 12 months. They've gone pretty high, almost touching 7%. There is a lot of activity within the first-time buyers community at the moment because a lot of people, they're just going to be bothered buying anything 2 years ago. And we are actually pretty busy in our office, flat out helping those first-time buyers buying or building property. The sections come back big time, almost 100K, they've actually come back. So 5 or 10% deposit, first-time buyers are buying left, right and centre. Doing a lot of selling and buying. People who bought properties a few years ago, now they're still sitting at quite a good equity. So they are selling and buying again because the next home is actually quite affordable. So you're exchanging at sort of similar market. Yes, you're not getting a top dollar for your home, but you're getting the next property at quite a realistic price. So plenty of all mixture of stuff going. Refinances, we're doing quite a lot of refinances. You know, cashbacks, the banks were giving 1% cashbacks, but that's slowing down as, you know, the rates are now stable for 12 months. The banks are just pulling back on cashback. So if you've got any of the short-term loans like personal loan, car finance, HP, credit cards, you can consolidate everything into the mortgage. That 1% deal is still on with most of the banks. So if you are looking at buying a hybrid car, solar, anything to do with that clean green stuff, so you can get 1% loan for 3 years, which is too good to be true, I think. Doing a lot of home ownership. So brothers buying property together, brother, sister, sister, couple of flatmates buying property together. Used to be a nightmare to get something across the line, but the banks, they've changed their policy. So doing quite a lot of those co-ownership. And of course, investment property is back big time. So a lot of our clients are buying investment. I think from the last 4 weeks, we would have done the same amount of application what we've done over the last sort of year or so, because everything was shut for property investors. No one was keen, but now they're getting ready, gearing up, getting approval sorted, making offers, going unconditional, as there is a momentum now building up with those property investors that if something happened at the end of this year with elections or whatever, they just want to be prepared. And again, the prices are just quite realistic. So lots happening with finance, and we are always here to help. Any questions you've got around refixing, restructure, thinking of buying a rental or whatever, that we're always here to help you. And lastly, I would just like to share quite an exciting news with you guys that after almost 7 years of running the mortgage business, we have decided to start NZ Insurances. Quite exciting time for us. Angela Wanua, who's our star mortgage advisor, Angela's daughter Terena, she's coming from Kiwi Bank and she's going to head our insurance division for us, and she's absolutely amazing. Scott Carragher, who's our GM, he's going to be the GM for insurance, so he'll be just managing the insurance sort of things, and Terena will run insurance. So it's quite exciting for us to actually bring that insurance in-house. We'll of course share some more feedback, but that's pretty exciting news. So we're bringing that insurance finally after 7 years in-house. That's it from me. Look forward to catching up with you next month. Thank you.